Hi people, I'm making selroti. This is the masala and this is 1 kg of soaked rice which I've soaked for the whole night. I made a batter out of the soaked rice and the masala, and here I'm adding wheat flour which is around 300 grams and 300 grams of maida and around 3 large spoon of ghee. And I'm adding jaggery powder for the sweetness. You can also use sugar. And this is how your batter has to be. It should be flowy and there should be no lumps. I'm keeping the batter for 3 hours. 3 hours. You can also keep it for 2 hours or less than that just to ferment. And this is how it looks. And this is the little guy which I'm using to make the shape of the roti. Here I've heated around 300 grams of refined oil, and all you need to do is make a circle. I've been making selroti from past 9 to 8 years, and this is how I keep doing it. I don't know about a perfect round shape or any other shape for the roti, but it tastes good. So use those ingredients which I have in the video, and it will perfectly turn fine. It will taste good. And the bubbles which you can see on my roti is also a sign that the roti will taste good. And in my case, I've used very less jaggery powder, around 300 grams, because I want the roti to be eaten with some gravy. Gravy can be of chicken, mutton, or simple chana matar gravy or aloo dum. It will taste perfectly fine. This is also a dish which is the epitome of our Nepali culture, so it is very dear to my heart. By the way, this is not the perfect pan for cooking selroti. You have a special pan where the oil does not cool away so easily. I had faced a little difficulty while cooking here in this pan. I had to, take a pause every now and then because the old oil was getting cooled very easily. But my dear friend Anju is going to send me a proper selroti making utensil. So thank you so much, Anju, and I'm waiting for it. I have made around 55 rotis out of this batter, and this is the final look. Thank you for watching, and please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.